This is Ryan with Eat, Sleep, Bass, Repeat, and this is Santa Ana Wins with a fresh wrap here for Paco's memorial. It's his birthday event, and oh man, a sea of carbon. All right. Live and direct with Chris Cooney. He said he had some kind of crazy song he wanted to demo for me about, with some special guys from England, right?
Yes, correct.
And is that the senior citizens that can get down and rap?
Yeah.
All right, dude. Those guys give me hope that like when we get old, we can still have some swagger. What's going on, man? There he is. All right, about to film a demo here. Oh man, awesome being here on Paco's memorial. Oh boy, you're gonna like the song. Straight senior citizens rapping. Holy crap. Those dudes get it, man.
Yeah, they do.
What the hell? Dude.
Senior citizen.
Dude, Paco would be laughing right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
dude, kicking senior citizen bass. Dude. What's the name of those dudes? You know the name? What's the name of those?
Pete and bass.
Pete and Bass. What an appropriate name.
Yeah.
Love it. All right, Eat, Sleep, Bass, Repeat with Chris Cooney and the crew here at Paco's Memorial. Thank you.
Heck yeah.
All right.
Drop that bitch on her head like bang.
Paco song for sure. That's how he does it. That's how he does
That was like a tray of loaded potatoes.
100% with cheese on top.